All right, so I'm going to be giving a quick tip on how you can create custom ringtones on the BLU G91. Now, the nice thing about this phone is that they make it really easy. You just need to go into your settings and then click on sound. So we're going to do that. After we do this, I'm actually going to play some Into the Dead 2 gameplay for you guys, kill some zombies and whatnot. But you want to go into your sounds, and then you're just going to see the ringtone option. And they actually have a couple cool ringtones on here, I'm not going to lie. But if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see a little plus icon. All you got to do is tap on this, and as long as you have some music already downloaded onto your phone, you can set it as your custom ringtone. Now, there is one ringtone I really like on here. It's Machina. It's pretty cool. It's a little bit weird, honestly. I'm just going to play it for you guys, and it is what it is, right? Okay, anyways, after you, get that little ringtone tip going, I would recommend checking this game out. So I'm going to play some Into the Dead 2. Absolutely love this. We're going to get into some of the survival mode gameplay. Also, if you could smash the like button on this video, and let's get into it.